Hey everyone, Adobe just dropped some major news in the world of AI video creation. Let's dive into the exciting launch of video generation capabilities for their Firefly AI platform. Adobe has officially launched two key features. One, a web-based video generator on Adobe's website, and two, the Generative Extend feature in the Premiere Pro beta app. Available now for free testing, although there might be some rate limits. This tool offers both text-to-video and image-to-video models. It produces up to 5 seconds of AI-generated video and includes controls for camera pans, movement intensity, angle, and shot size. Plus, it's capable of creating both animated and photorealistic content. This feature extends video clips by up to 2 seconds, continuing camera motion and subject movements seamlessly. It also automatically extends background audio, but it excludes voices and music. This really solves a real problem for editors needing to stretch clips. So why is this significant? Well, let's dive in. First off, Adobe is the first major software company to make this technology widely accessible. That's a big deal. Secondly, it's editor-focused. This means it's designed to complement existing workflows, not replace them. It's all about making your job easier, not taking it away. Next, it's commercially safe. The AI is trained on Adobe stock footage and public domain content to avoid copyright issues. You can use it with peace of mind. And finally, it's a balancing act. Adobe aims to lead in AI while addressing the concerns of its creative user base. They're really trying to get it right for everyone. Adobe's approach to AI focuses on generative editing rather than just generating new videos from scratch. It's designed to solve practical problems for video editors, aiming to replicate the success of generative fill in Photoshop. Ethical considerations are a key part of Adobe's strategy. Adobe pays contributors for training data, offering $3 per minute of video. They also include automatic AI-generated watermarks in metadata. Additionally, Firefly avoids generating content with drugs, nudity, violence, or political figures. Adobe sees AI as creating more demand for creative work, not less. They encourage creatives to embrace AI as a tool to enhance productivity, use AI to create more personalized content at scale, and view AI literacy as essential for future success in creative fields. Adobe's Firefly Video Model represents a significant step in AI-assisted video creation. By focusing on practical editing tools and commercially safe content generation, Adobe is paving the way for a new era of video production. As this technology evolves, it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of creative work in video.